Whew, finally, it's here. Hey guys, it's Rev. So 2019 has been a year that we see Apple refining their Pro lineup. We have the iPad Pro, and then we have the MacBook Pro, and then we have the iPhone 11 Pro, and also we have the Solo Beats Pro and the Power Beats Pro. And then we got here the AirPods Pro. When they first announced it 3 months ago, well, I expect them to do well because it's only the most popular earphones in the world. But what I didn't expect is how it's instantly sold out everywhere. So with such high demand, I have to wait a whole month to get it from Apple. So welcome everyone to another unboxing. So looking over the box, they look very similar with the previous AirPods box, which they show the picture of the AirPods itself. So this is the new AirPods Pro design. Looks very familiar. Anyways, looking at the back, so this is the picture of the wireless charging case. There you go. Okay, let's open this up. Ooh, designed by Apple California, but manufactured in China probably. Of course, the user manual and wait, what? Wait, no Apple stickers? Man, so disappointing. Come on, Apple. Okay, there's a pull tab here, and underneath are the different sizes silicone tips. Yes, so we have the S and the L, and I think the M is already pre-installed with the AirPods Pro. We also got the charging cables. It's a Lightning to USB-C, and it doesn't come with the power brick, so keep that in mind when you buy this. So, what do you guys think? Looks good, right? Better than this. So the price is $250. Yep, it's $50 more than the AirPods 2. Yeah, I know, it's up there with the best, hence the name Pro, I guess. So it comes with this very minimalist white dental floss looking package, very much like the old AirPods. It's a bit longer to the side. As you can see, the size is slightly bigger, so you won't notice the difference. I can even still put the AirPods Pro in this pocket. Yep, the pocket that no one ever used. As I take these guys out, you can see that the design is similar, but there are definitely a few differences. The stems are in fact shorter, and they do now have a rubber silicone tips on the outside. So in the box, they come with 3 different size tips, with the medium comes pre-installed out of the box, then the small and the large, so that you can swap it to fit your ears. And also, it still comes with the same H1 chip, which makes pairing this with your Apple device so easy just by bringing it near to your iPhone and opening the case. And you get this beautiful animated tutorial showing how to operate the media control and how to activate the best feature of this AirPods Pro, which is the active noise cancelling. Yep, now AirPods Pro comes with active noise cancelling, which is a big selling point for me. The way Apple did it is by using the microphones and the earbuds itself to do the active noise cancelling. So for my first impression with the noise cancellation is that it's pretty good. Coming from the earbud, I'm quite impressed with the level of isolation that it creates in my ear. It manages to cancel a lot of the surrounding noise. I find it useful for me when I want to have a total silence to get some work done. Another feature of the AirPods Pro that surprises me are the transparency mode. If you look at the side of the AirPods Pro, there is this black grill that lets air to pass through that equalizes the pressure so that you don't get that pressure buildup when you're wearing them. It's something so simple and clever, and yet no other companies are doing it. This results to a very comfortable fit in my ear. Thanks, Apple. It's also IP4 splash proof, so it's good for anyone who likes to work out intensely or running outdoors without worrying a little rain would damage the earbuds. Okay, let's look at the function of the AirPods Pro. It's pretty simple. Each earphone has this flat area for you to press. It's called force sensor. 1 squeeze to pause and play, 2 squeeze to skip a track, 3 squeeze to go back a track. And if you hold down, you can hear an audio prompt indicating the switch between transparency mode and active noise cancelling mode, or vice versa. You can also activate using the settings that comes with iOS 13.3, or you can do it from your watch. However, what I really don't like is that there's no volume control on this. So you have to take out your phone every time you want to adjust the volume, or you can ask Siri, which is embarrassing in my opinion. Another software feature that comes with iOS 13.3 is the ear tip fit test, which helps you find the best seal for your ears. Pretty neat. Okay, sound quality. First impression, I find that with transparency mode, it sounds just like the normal AirPods. However, with active noise cancellation on, it sounds so much better with a lot of bass. Not bad. Okay, before I forget, let's talk about the case. So it's a wireless charging case like the AirPods 2, which is good, and it still gives you that 24-hour battery life, and it still charges with lightning. So no surprise there. Okay, that's about it on the new features of the AirPods Pro. One thing is for sure, Apple solved a few problems that I have with the old AirPods, which is sound quality and fit. So the old AirPod design just doesn't fit my ear. So the new AirPod Pro with its rubber tip won't fall off easily, and it sounds better too. So what do you guys think? Would you buy this over the normal AirPods Pro? Is it worth the $50 upgrade to add the Pro at the end? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a like and turn on the notification. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.